not fixed right away, then your computer will become obsolete and all of your credential information may got compromised. If you are the one who is using Microsoft Windows in your computer, then please call 518-800-4007 or press 1 now to speak with security now. Thanks for your time. Still wondering why you receive a call from Windows Security? Let me tell you. You received a call because we encounter suspicious activities going on with your computer. It seems to be someone is trying to hijack your computer and try to steal your personal credential informations. And if it's not fixed right away, your computer will become obsolete. So please turn on the computer while we are connecting you to our expert.
Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Are you an expert?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can help me out.
So are you able to turn on your computer?
Yeah, it's on.
So do one thing, look at your keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the Windows key?
Yep.
So you have to press that key along with letter R, R is in robot, okay? At the same time, you have to press both keys.
Okay. Oh, all right, now what? Window came up.
Now what are you getting on the screen?
Oh, I got an old man standing there giving me the finger. Is that the right picture?